Road construction and geodesy. The basis for state governance is infrastructure, roads, bridges, tunnels, railways, airports and ports, which provide mobility and permit important goods to reach consumers. Estonia has a sufficiently dense road network, but continued work is required to improve safety and ensure traffic flow. Only creative engineers are able to perform this task, and they must undergo continued training on design, material characteristics, construction quality, and maintenance methods. Constant training ensures that what is designed and built maintains ease of use, quality, and durability. Tallinn University of Technology is the only university in Estonia where you can obtain theoretical and practical engineering knowledge at the master's degree level. We teach you how to understand a building as a whole and how different disciplines influence each other. Tallinn University of Technology teaches you how to solve practical assignments systematically and completely. The career possibilities of well-educated engineers are inexhaustible, as the construction of Tallinn will never end, so there is a never-ending need for road engineers and surveyors. Creating a brighter future, Tallinn University of Technology.